So you have this TOZO T10 TWS earbuds and want to pair and connect it with your smartphones. So we're going to show you how to do that using our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which you can follow from literally any of your Samsung or any other smartphone. Now for that, we all know, first you need to take your buds into pairing mode. Open the lid, make sure the buds are inside, and connect it to the case. Now take them out. If it's not paired with any device, in a few seconds, the master bud will start blinking red and blue LED. Now that means they're in pairing mode. Now whatever Android you're using, you need to go to the Bluetooth section. In my device, I'm going to go from settings to connections to Bluetooth. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now hopefully in a couple of seconds, you will see TOZO's name in the nearby Bluetooth devices list. When you do, just tap on it to pair. And if you get any pairing pop-up, just confirm the process. Your TOZO T10 is now paired with your desired Android phone. You can now listen to music and take calls right away. If you want to pair it with any other device, you can either disconnect or unpair it from the previous one, or if you turn off Bluetooth in this device, your TOZO buds will immediately go into pairing mode again. You can then go ahead pair it with any of your desired Android device. Now after that, whenever you put the buds back into the case, it'll turn off and disconnect it from the device, and whenever you take them out of the box, it'll be auto-reconnected, not just the last device paired, but where the buds were active into. Now for further customization, if you want from Play Store, you can search for the TOZO app, and when you end up in this TOZO technology surround view, if you want, you can install it to your Android device where the TOZO is paired. You can then go ahead, set up and connect the app with the buds, change the settings into custom ones as your own preference, choice, and comfort. And this is how you can connect and pair your TOZO T10 with any of your Android smartphone and devices. Thanks for watching.